Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making chicken fried steak and eggs with white gravy. So let's get started. Alright, and for the steak we're using a thin sirloin tip steak, and it comes that way, you know, cut nice and thin. And then sometimes they have 3 to 4, maybe even 5 in a pack, right? So you can go ahead and make a bunch of these if you have guests over, so that's always good. And we went ahead and pat this dry already. Now we're going to go ahead and put our nice coating on top. It's going to be an Italian breadcrumb coating, and we're not going to use flour or egg to dredge our steak in, you know, and coat it. We're going to do the quick and easy method today, so let's get started doing that. Alright, now let's take our nice steak and we'll put that right in here just like this. Wow, that's big. And for the breadcrumbs, we're going to use Italian style panko breadcrumbs. Now we're going to use half of this, and then we're going to use half of the regular Italian style breadcrumbs. So let's put about half of that in there. Maybe a half a cup. And we'll put just about half a cup of regular Italian breadcrumbs. This kind right here. Okay. And to kick it up a notch, we're going to use about a tablespoon of Italian seasonings. Put them in. And about a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Put them in. Okay, let's go ahead and mix them in. This is going to add a lot of flavor. Alright. Okay, now we're going to take about a quarter cup of regular mayonnaise, right? There's our binder right there. And the oil and fat that's in there and the egg. It's going to stick really good, guys. So go ahead and brush that on your steak. Make sure you get it all over, you know, the edges and all. Doesn't take much. A little more. And if you have a little bigger container, go ahead and use it. But this works out okay. Okay, let's reach in here and we'll flip that over, just like this. Alright. And we'll do the same to this side. Now it doesn't take much mayonnaise, and boy does it stick. As you can see, it's sticking now. Really good. And try to get your edges too, so. There you go. Alright, that's done. Okay, now we're going to take that out of there and we're going to put that right over here in our breadcrumbs, right? Boy, that's a big steak, guys. Alright, let's see if we can get enough on there. Just keep piling it on there, our breadcrumbs. That's where all the good flavor is. Sometimes it helps to have like a shaker for your breadcrumbs so you don't have to put it on with your hands, right? Okay, we did that side. Now let's go down here a little bit. Let's see how we're doing. Looking pretty good. Yeah. We'll flip it over. And we'll get this side. Now keep doing this till you get a good coating on there. Okay, that looks really good, guys. Alright, let's bring in a cutting board and we'll put that right on there. Let's see how we did. Wow, guys, that's a big one. Really big. Okay, put it right here. Beautiful. Alright, guys, there it is. Our delicious breaded thin sirloin tip steak. Boy, doesn't that look good? Alright, now all we have to do is start frying. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our large Lodge cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium high. Okay, and we're going to put a little high smoke point oil in the pan. Now make sure you put enough. Alright, our pan's starting to smoke. Now we're going to take our nice sirloin tip steak that we breaded up. Look at that. And we're going to see if that fits in this big cast iron pan. Okay. Let's go ahead and knock off some of the breadcrumbs. And we'll put them right in there. Alright, now it's not going to take too long for that to cook because it's pretty thin, guys. It's only like a 1/4 inch thick. Okay, let's just go ahead and see how we're doing here. We'll flip it over. It's looking pretty good, guys. Alright guys, let's flip it back. It's been about a minute. Alright, our chicken fried steak looks to be done. Let's show off our burner. And let's get that out of there and put that right on a paper towel and let it drain. Wow guys, that's a big one. Okay, let's put this aside and let it drain. And let's put our cast iron skillet aside for now. Alright, we have a smaller non-stick pan now. And we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Alright, now we're going to crack 2 eggs. Okay guys, our sunny side up eggs are done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. Let's put them right beside our delicious chicken fried steak. Alright, here's our delicious looking chicken fried steak and eggs. Boy, what a breakfast this is, guys. I can't wait to get into a bite of that. Right there, that steak. And those eggs are perfect. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're going to drizzle a little of our white gravy on top that you make with equal parts butter and flour and all. Salt and pepper. Just drizzle that on there. Alright, that looks good. Add a little salt to your egg. And a little bit on top of your steak. A little bit of black pepper. Alright. And I like a little parsley flakes on everything. Makes it look nice. Plus they taste good. Alright, I can't wait to have a bite of this steak, so let's get into a nice bite. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Nice and crispy. Let me go ahead and have a bite. Dip it in some of our white gravy. Oh yeah, this is going to be good, guys. So let me have a bite and let you guys know how it tastes. Mmm. That steak's delicious. Just the right amount of seasonings and the breadcrumbs, right? Now these real thin steaks, especially this big, they're kind of tricky to, cook. So be careful in the pan. You might have to slice the edges so they lay flat, But they're really tasty. What a hearty breakfast this is. Loaded with protein. Alright, you know what to go good with this since we're having this for like a brunch? You may have guessed this one. A nice hot cup of coffee with this one. Now doesn't that sound good? It really does. Yep, I just have to have another little bite here. Let's see how we're doing here. Okay, let's have another taste. And see if we can dip it in our egg yolk this time. Okay, here we go. Look at this, guys. Look at the egg yolk, it's perfect. Alright, let me have another bite. Okay. That's delicious. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious, easy, crispy chicken fried steak and eggs with white gravy. Boy, does that sound good. Catch you on the next one.